Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure WooCommerce subscriptions with PayPal, full guide step by step clearly. To configure WooCommerce subscriptions with PayPal, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the WooCommerce section in the left-hand menu. Click on the Settings option. Go to the Payments tab at the top of the Settings page. Here, you'll see a list of available payment methods. Look for PayPal and click on the Setup button. If PayPal isn't enabled, toggle the switch to enable it. Once in the PayPal settings, fill in the required fields. Enter your PayPal email address in the designated box. Check the option to enable PayPal for transactions. Next, configure the PayPal IPN settings for subscriptions. Log into your PayPal account in a separate tab. Go to Account Settings and find Notifications in the menu. Click on Update next to Instant Payment Notifications. Enable IPN by clicking on Choose IPN Settings. Enter the notification URL provided by WooCommerce. This URL typically looks like https://yourwebsite.com/question_wc-api=wc_gateway_pay. Make sure to enable the IPN messages checkbox. Save your settings in PayPal after entering the notification URL. Return to your WooCommerce PayPal settings. Here, you can adjust additional options like the title and description. Set the payment action to either sale or authorization as needed. For subscriptions, ensure you enable recurring payments. To test the configuration, create a simple subscription product. Go to the Products section in WooCommerce and click on Add New. Input the product name and description. In the Product Data section, select Simple Subscription. Set the subscription price and billing interval accordingly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.